everyone, it's Brandon from Magic Land Vacations, the travel planning genies, and today we're at Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort at Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna give you a tour, and this is kind of spliced together over basically a weekend. But what I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna show you everything from where the Starbucks is, I'm gonna show you where the gift shop is, show you what the lobby looks like, give you a tour of a suite room, and also give you a tour of the fitness facility, show you where you can go bowl. I'm gonna show all those fun things to you and a whole lot more. Check out this room at Cabana Bay, everybody. Come on inside. All right, so what we're looking at right now, we're looking at a suite at Cabana Bay. So the suite, meaning that it has this entire portion over here. We have this is actually makes out into a bed. So this is another place people can sleep. You can see that this completely goes with that retro 60s theme. We got the orange and the blue and the aqua colors over here. We got our flat screen TV. We have some drawers to pull out. If you come over here, you have your kitchenette area. So you have a microwave, you have coffee station, ice. Of course, we have a fridge down here as well, a sink. This is really a great place for families to stay, especially if you want to do a little bit of cooking on your own or have breakfast inside the hotel room, or if you have leftovers from one night and you just want to warm them up, it's a great place for that. And then coming over here, this is the bedroom. You can see that we do have a privacy partition right here between the suite area and the living area. So that slides, which is really nice. And then if you look on this side, there's actually some hidden drawers that if you're not looking closely, you're gonna miss. So we have some drawers over here as well. Really neat how they did this, because obviously the door blocks this side and the drawers on that side open up over here, and these drawers open up over here. Really neat how they did that. And then we have our two beds over here. We have another little drawer space over there. Again, you guys, I just love these retro vibes and these colors. It's just really fun, and just it's nice when you're on vacation and you are surrounded by light and vibrant colors. It just puts you in a really good mood. And then if we come over here, we have our bathroom area. What I love what they did about this for the family suite is you actually have the toilet is actually separate from everything else. So if someone asks to use the bathroom, everybody else can still do whatever business they need to take care of. We have a sink in the middle, so if someone's taking a bath or a shower and someone's using the toilet, people can still brush their teeth. And of course we have another sink inside here, which is fantastic, so that there's two sinks. And this is really cool. So the soap and the shampoo is retro. Look at this, it's retro. It's like what they used to have back in the day. It's like 1960s, 1970s wrapping. That's so cool, sticking with the theme of Cabana Bay. So there you have it. There is a suite for you. And we're gonna show you some other things around the hotel as well. And let's go out this way. Thank you so much for seeing my room, and I will see you in other parts of the hotel. And we are continuing our tour of Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort at Universal Orlando. And I want to show the LaLane Fitness Studio, because even though you're on vacation, I love to stay in shape, burn off some of those extra calories. And I have to tell you guys, this is probably one of the best fitness workout studios gyms I've seen at a resort. So check this out. The LaLane Fitness Studio. It says, oh, by the way, the hours are 5 a.m. to midnight. If for whatever reason you get here at 5 o'clock like I do and it's not open, just give them a few seconds. They're making the rounds and they'll open it up. So you're gonna turn the knob to the right and pull. Check this place out. So when you walk inside, you can see that this place is absolutely huge. There are so much equipment and so many machines. They have, great thing about this gym is that they have a whole bunch of cardio equipment. Something that usually happens when you are working out on vacation is there seems like there's not enough cardio because everyone seems to work out around the same times. But it's okay. Look at this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 treadmills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elliptical machines. And then we have all these bikes over here. And then we have more cardio machines over there. Now, it's really important that if you are staying in shape that you also work out your muscles as opposed to just your cardio. So check out all of these machines that they have for all sorts of different parts of your body. They have machines for, of course, your normal machines like biceps and your quads and your glutes and all that stuff. But they really do have a lot more machines than you would see at a normal hotel gym. So this is really pretty phenomenal. So we're gonna continue this way. Also, you have this beautiful view. Well, that part is kind of nice view over here. So because this is the LaLane Fitness Studio, something that's really neat is they have all of these artifacts and memorabilia from him. And over in this corner, he actually have like a television show. So they actually replay parts of his television show on the screen. And I guess if you have friends or family member or young kids who didn't want to work out, you have this whole little area over here where they can sit and watch the studio, the TV show. And then over here we have all of the free weights, which is awesome because you need free weights. Something else I want to point out, most gyms at hotels only go up to about 50 pounds. These free weights actually go up to 75-pound dumbbells. So that's pretty cool. Here we have some kettlebells, we have some ab medicine balls, we have some mats if you're doing yoga, and of course we have some more LaLane merchandise all along this wall as well. Hands down, one of the best fitness centers I've ever seen at a resort hotel, Disney or Universal, or really any hotel for that matter. I'm really impressed with the studio, and I think it's really awesome how much memorabilia they have for it. And he even has a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. How crazy is that? That's really cool. And I guess these are one of his original jumpers that he wore. So I want to continue the tour. I'm going to step outside here. Now the bowling alley is not open right now, but I just wanted to quickly show that to you guys just so you can see that as well. So follow me this way. Over this way. This is Galaxy Bowl. So at this resort hotel, you can actually go with your friends and family and go bowling at night. And it's actually kind of like a dinner and a show situation. So when you eat here, full service menu like burgers and fries and that kind of thing. When you eat here, you can actually bowl and it's included as long as you're eating. So that's really cool too. And I wasn't really busy the 2 nights that we've been here. So if we walk over this way, you can see some of the menu choices over here. So we have burgers, lots of burgers, wraps, a couple of salads, and then some of your normal bites and those kinds of things. And just check out the sign. The sign is so cool. Galaxy Bowl. It's a really neat sign. Love it. All right, so we are outside right now. The pool just opened up. The pool opens up at 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Every day. And there's actually 2 different pools, one on either side of the hotel. You can see the pool over there. And you can actually see Volcano Bay towards that area as well. So this is the only Universal Resort hotel that has a direct entrance to a park. So if you are staying at this resort hotel, you can actually walk straight from the hotel directly into Volcano Bay from the hotel. Volcano Bay is right over there. So, want to show that to you guys, and we're gonna continue on. All right, so this is the main dining area. This is called the LaLane Diner. So you can see that it is ginormous. We have television screens over here showing old-time video, and it's actually up here as well. You have your freestyle Coke machines. All of your condiments are over here. And there's basically two places. There's only two places in this resort hotel where you actually can get breakfast. So this is one of them, the LaLane Diner. And then the other one is at Starbucks. So I want to walk up this way. I want to show you just a quick walkthrough of the actual LaLane Diner. It's basically quick service, and you can get a whole bunch of different things. Love all the Christmas stuff that they have up in this resort hotel. Really, really good. So we're gonna walk this way. So it opens at 7 o'clock in the morning. Over here you have some snacks and pastries, souvenir cups for your drink packages, all of your cereals over here. Yogurt machine over here. Right now they're serving breakfast, so you can see that this is the deli over here. They got some croissants, they got ham and cheese croissants, flatbreads, that kind of thing. And normally this is where you get your pizza, but for breakfast they have waffles, and they have sausage and bacon. So this is like a waffle station in the morning. Over here at the salad bar, in the morning it's basically a fruit bar. Then over here is really cool. You have your own omelet station. Breakfast in the morning. And then this is the grill, so here you can get more sausage, bacon, buttermilk, pancakes, all those kinds of things. So you can see, like, this is why this is open at 7 o'clock in the morning. Anything that you can imagine that you'd want here. And then we have another grab and go section, a few more souvenirs, a little mini candy center over here. And this is really cool. They actually have a section for natural foods and healthier options, which is great. So if you want some whole grains, those kinds of things, all that is over here. All right, we're gonna keep walking this way. We're gonna walk through the gift shop and pass through Starbucks, so follow me. So you can't really start your day off right unless you have your caffeine fix, right? Especially if you're going to the parks and you need to get that juice flowing. So we have Starbucks over here. And what's really neat is Jackie, who checked us in, was awesome, and she gave us one of these. So it's basically like a complimentary beverage. You can use it at any bar or even Starbucks, up to $15 value. And we got two of these. So we're gonna walk around and we're gonna see if maybe we can find someone to get this to. Can I give it to you? It's like a free drink. Is it okay? Do you mind if I film you giving it to you? Sure. Is that okay? You're not filming it already?
Of course.
Are you really? All right, so like I said, this is a free voucher for a drink at Starbucks or any place in the resort hotel, up to a $15 value. So this nice young lady, what is your name? Carrie, I'm giving this to Carrie to help her jumpstart her day so that she has an awesome day at Universal Orlando Resort.
I need it.
There you go, Carrie.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. No problem.
You both have a great time.
Oh, you want to give her the other one too? Okay, here. So that way you get two.
Oh, why are you being so nice? That's so sweet.
Because one start off the day off right.
Well, that's very sweet of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day. You're welcome. Bye. See? Pass some good stuff. Universal is different than Disney World because you have passes for Express Pass that they have to scan every single time you go to a ride, and you have vouchers for like character dining, so the lanyard is really helpful. So this is where I came in and got my lanyard. But you see some beachy stuff over here, and then you have a lot of your normal Universal stuff. So we're gonna cut through this way and go into the main lobby. If you collect pins for Disney, Universal has a whole bunch of different pins you can collect as well, which is pretty neat. And of course, you can't have a Universal gift shop without Harry Potter. So now we are heading into the lobby, and this is another place where you can get drinks. This is the Swizzle Lounge, and they actually have nightly entertainment over here as well, which is really great. When we checked in, they had people singing over here. So this voucher that I have is also good for this as well, if you wanted to get an alcoholic beverage. And then, of course, the huge, beautiful lobby. Love the tree. I don't know how tall that is, probably a 20-foot tree. I know, it's amazing. And then inside the lobby, of course, you have your vacation planning center. So if you decided you wanted to get express passes while you were here for just like one day, you can do that over here. They also have a kiosk where you can actually print your tickets and pick them up. The bell desk is over that way. And then, of course, your check-in area as well. And then there's another pool over here, and also an outdoor grill. So if you're out by the pool and you want to eat outside, you can do that as well. And the way that the resort is broken up too, they have basically 4 different sections. So 2 sections over here, 2 more over that way. And you can actually see that they have the names on top of the sections. So this side does not go to Volcano Bay, but it's a separate area. It has more rooms over here. This is the Atomic Grill. This is the grill that's by the pool, and you can actually see the names of the different areas. So that's Starlight area over there. We stayed at Continental, and then that is Castaway area over there. And everything just continues with the 50s, 60s vibe, which is awesome. So we only really have one more spot to show you, and that is going to be the bus stop. All right, so we are outside, and I want to point out where the bus stop is. So you can see this sign right over here. It says the bus stop. So right around this corner over here, we're going to walk this way. Ooh, that sun is bright. So you can see right over there is the buses, right over there. So that's where everyone, if you're taking the buses to City Walk or Volcano Bay, because all the buses will go to City Walk. From there, that's where you go to Islands of Adventure or Universal Studios Florida. So that's your bus stop. And just for frame of reference of where we are, so that's the Bayliner Diner right over here. Love these old vintage cars that they have parked out front. It was so cool when we pulled up to check in and we saw all the old cars like they were hanging out at the diner. And then across that way is the actual lobby. And then of course the huge Cabana Bay hotel sign. Awesome! So if you are planning your Universal Florida or Disney World or Disneyland or Disney Cruise Line, any Disney or Universal vacation, make sure you summon a travel planning genie to help you plan your vacation wishes. Complimentary consultation link down below. And of course, make sure you guys like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And I'm just gonna stand here and wait while you like and subscribe. More videos for you to check out. Check out our other videos. Good information. All right, have a great day, everyone.